Hi guys, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session we'll discuss the Power BI map. Power BI map is used to visualize the geological data. Especially, you can use this map when you want to visualize the location related specific information. So in that case, you can use the map. Before we start, we have some data. First of all, we check this data. In the city, name of the city, then state, latitude, longitude, and the flu case reported. City and state, these are the textual name, and we can use the textual name to find the location of the map. Alternatively, we can use the latitude or longitude. So it is advisable to use the latitude and the longitude to find the location accurately. So using this data, I have to display the location and the number of reports, number of flu case reported with the location on the map. How to create the map or bubble map on the Power BI desktop. So you can see data already uploaded, then report, then maps, then location. We have the location, region, latitude, longitude, and the size. So you can use the location or latitude or longitude. So first of all, we try latitude, then longitude, and flu case reported in the size. So you can see we have some bubbles on the location found, and you can observe the size of the bubble. Bigger the number of flu case reported, bigger the size of the bubbles. If you hover, then you can find the information latitude, longitude, and flu case reported. Also, in formatting, you can change the color of these bubbles, each and every bubble. Say default color and show all by default off, make it on. Then change the color of each and every one. So this way you can change the color of all bubbles. Then category, by default off, make it on. Then you can observe the information about the latitude and the longitude are available on the map. Then bubbles. So by default the size of -10, or you can increase or decrease the size of the bubbles. And if you need the more information on the hover, then you can add those information in the tooltip. Say city, then state. Hover, then you can see all information are there. And one thing is very important, if you are using the latitude and longitude, then you can't use the location field. Suppose if you try to state in location, then you get the error. So either you can use the location or latitude or longitude. Say that. So this is how the bubble map is created. Now, how to create the field map? So on the location, drag and drop state, and in legend, then flu case reported. So the difference between the bubble chart and the field map is, in case of the field map, the geological data area is filled with the color. So this is the difference between the bubble map and the field map. So on the hover, you can observe the information. So guys, this was all about the Power BI map. Thanks for watching the video.